Today I will talk about market segmentation. This is part of my series of lectures on marketing management. One of the ways to obtain economies in marketing is to concentrate and focus the marketing efforts in respect of a well-defined homogeneous clusters of potential customers. Defining a market in terms of generic needs defies competition. It also helps to avoid entering a market segment without first considering the wider range of possibilities available in it. So, market segment refers to the subclass of the market reflecting subclasses of wants. Grouping is being done of buyers' probability of purchasing different types of offerings. The process of conceptually distinguishing segments is known as the process of market segmentation. Segments may differ also in their needs for information, reassurance, technical support, associated services, promotion, distribution, and host of other non-product benefits that are part of their purchase. A marketer can always achieve additional homogeneity by subdividing the original set of segments further until theoretically speaking, we have segments with only one buyer. The extent of division will depend on the commercial viability of small segments and the competitive practices of rivals. What are the benefits of segmentation? Segmentation helps a company to exploit its market better by selecting market niches that are compatible with its resources. Segmentation helps in focusing strategies more sharply on a particular target group. Segmentation is more likely to result in instilling customer loyalty. There are certain doubts about effectiveness of segmentation. One of the question is, are segments mutually exclusive? Other question is segmentation merely on the basis of different product forms? And there may be insignificant differences existing between brands. What are the bases for segmentation? One of the prime bases is need or benefits. Others include demographic profile, psychographic profile, personality profile, and miscellaneous bases. So we can divide segment on one or more of these bases. What, what are the methods of segmentation? Segmentation can be done by intuition or experience, by trial and error, by research on consumption systems, by research on attitudes and perceptions. Approach may be top-down or bottom-up approach. How to select a particular segment? There are general factors and segment-specific factors. General factors include company thrust, size and growth potential, investment needed, profitability, risk, and competition. Segment-specific factors include segment durability, segment mobility, segment visibility, segment accessibility. So this is all about market segmentation and market segments. Thank you.